Hey guys, this is Luis with Vidriokar Auto Glass Replacement. I have to show you something. Come with me, let's come together. So I'm going to show you my new toy over here. It is a Slimfit from Panter Pro. This guy, I like it. It's not really heavy, but it's not light, but it's enough. So it's good. You can carry it in your truck and his spot is good. So I like this guy. Let me show you. I've already set up many winches with this guy and I like it. So easy to use, no big deal. This arm just lift it up, open the lock, and depending of your glass, on the higher, so big trucks or small cars, this one most of the time you're going to use in a number 4 right there, because the line will be right here, almost in the middle. Okay, so let me just have this guy. Now this guy has a couple of things I like. Speed adjuster, battery, 12 volts, or you can just plug in. You got the wheels, you got another guy in the back. Just when you're moving, just when you move the car, you don't have to take any part, everything is stayed together. Okay, so let's gonna play with this guy and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, as you see, nice turn, you can walk around. So I'm gonna just nice and shine. We're gonna close the gap right there. Looks like it was higher, but actually it's just close up a little bit right there. See? Nice. You can see all the good fitting. Nice. Alright, so we got the glue on already, so let's gonna hook the winch over here. Alright, this way you don't touch it. You see, it's gonna be more like a assistance only. I think I got the bad position. It's gotta be this way. Alright. Okay, when you get here, you move it that way. Okay, and now you just gotta get lower. Alright, so we set this side. And here, the only we have to do is set up, holding, or you don't want to hold it, just down. And there you go. Okay, guys. And so you got good distance over here, you gotta push it down. And distance here, over there. So as you see, we good. Okay, right there. And we go up now, because it's broken over there. Let me make sure it's not crossing any of my windshield, my suction cups. It's fine. Now remember, this guy is gonna be almost like you using the lily body, almost. Okay, now you're gonna go up a little bit. Remember, I have a glue for the molding right there. Go up, 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 up. There you go. And when you get these positions, go all the way up and go all the way around. I'm really light. I like this guy. And down, make a turn, and this way you can set your glue on the glass or the body. There you go. Now you think you are so slow down over here, the good thing with this guy, you can adjust right here. You can adjust the speed of the hook, okay guys? So, and that's all. So I'm not gonna do the dry test and again because this guy is cracked all the way here, okay guys? And take the suction cups out of here. The next video I'm gonna set the windshield. Today I'm just doing this a quick seal, just a quick view about using this guy, okay? Using this guy. I go all the way up, right there. All right, and here, remember we go like a, I want to say little body, but at my corner here, and there you go. Okay, pushing down a little bit, right there. If you want to put a tape or something, it's fine. But these guys already painted this one yesterday, so I don't want to mess the paint. So it's perfect fit right there. And over here, just play right there. And we see we have all perfect sit. And so, okay. And we don't mess anything inside. Even you see the Urethanes cannot see it or touch it. Perfect set. Over there is clean. You can see them from the pitch wheel right here on the roof is no glue exposed. Okay, so thank you guys. So it's a quick video. I will post more setups with this tool because believe me, this tool has helped me a lot in the body shops, and I'm become older, so I need assistance, and this guy changed my game here. Guys, see you next time with more setups. Guys, one more, come with me, let's go inside here. So we have this one with the high wheels, so suspension is a little higher. So remember, working with this guy is right here. This is gonna be like a lily body, just up it up, go around, and that's all. You don't have to go higher and higher. So let's get it. Alright, let me get this bench right here. Hang on. Remember, we go up a little bit. You're gonna go out of this corners over here. You see right there? Go up and up. And that's all. We go around here. And that's all guys, okay? So you see, this one is a good helper even when you have a lot of windshields like today I have.